Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Mazda CX-5. Stock number is A7573. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top, you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup camera, and this CX-5 is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch, there are splits on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate controls and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.